Hello, this is Melissa Morley with All Seasons Insurance. Today we're discussing how to sell insurance policies. I guess if you're in the insurance industry, this is a question that almost everybody has. How do you sell insurance policies? Let's talk about the different kinds of policies because you really use different strategies depending upon what you're selling. With home and auto and personal umbrella and motorcycle and the property casualty end of things, as an agent, you have a responsibility to make absolutely sure that your customers' assets are covered. If their house burns down, they need to have that house replaced. If they have crashed their car, they need to make sure that if they have been unfortunate enough to be in a major injury accident, that they don't lose their retirement or their inheritance or their home because they have proper coverage. And you need to know what liability is. And once you do that, just explain that to your customers. What I have found is that buying insurance is one thing and needing it is another. Most people are at least in the forefront of their mind on property casualty insurance, price driven. That means I need to put this in my budget. How can I afford this? I don't want to get a ticket. I need to have my car covered. All of that comes into play. So you do want to offer a good price, but when they need to use it, it's good for them to have rental insurance coverage so they can get a car, or towing because their car is broke down by the side of the road. So know what you're selling. And when it comes to life products, there's a whole different thing that you're going to find with that, which is people don't like to think that they're going to die. And psychologically, you have to be able to talk about what would happen if you were to die, where would your family be, how much money do they need to survive? Do you want your children to go to school? What sacrifices do you want to make financially now to make sure that you are prepared for this event? These are two very separate insurances and two different ways to sell them. But they all boil down to you need to prospect, you need to have people know who you are, you need to have marketing in place, and then you have to be able to properly write these contracts for the companies. And when you learn how to do that, you will find out that to sell insurance policies is a really good way to make a living. This is Melissa Morley with All Seasons Insurance, and today we've discussed how to sell insurance policies.